Here are my Easter Cadbury Egg Cookies. They are warm and ooey and gooey and everything that we love in an Easter cookie. It's a simple chocolate chip cookie recipe, and we've substituted some Cadbury eggs and some M&Ms, and it makes for the perfect springtime treat. So follow along and I will show you step by step how to make these adorable little Easter cookies. Welcome back. I'm Jill with thecarefreekitchen.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite Easter recipes. This is my Cadbury Egg Cookie recipe, and it's filled with Cadbury eggs, and I also like to put in the pastel M&Ms. It just makes it so cute and so fun for this time of year. They are warm and chewy and everyone loves them. Okay, so for the ingredients, we have 2 sticks of butter, and I like to use room temperature butter, so just set it outside your fridge a little before you're going to use it. And then I have a cup of brown sugar, a cup of white sugar. I have 2 eggs, and I like those to be room temperature also. I have some clear vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I have about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Sea salt is great. And then 3 cups of flour. And then for my mix-ins, I like to use these Easter time M&Ms, and then of course a bag of Cadbury eggs. And if you can, just reserve a little bit of those to put on the side for when you are decorating your cookies. Okay, so to get started, we're going to add in our cup of butter, and I'm just putting this in a stand mixer with my paddle attachment. And the secret to cookies is to get it pretty aerated. You want it to be really smooth and really creamy. That's why using room temperature butter is the best choice here. And we are just going to add in my cup of brown sugar and cup of white sugar right into the butter mixture, and it's called creaming your butter and sugar together, and we want to get that really nice and really soft in the same consistency. And this takes, maybe like 2 minutes is all. So just keep on mixing that until it's nice and smooth and creamy. The next thing you're going to do is to stop the mixer and add in your 2 eggs. And these are whole eggs. It works best if they're room temperature, so that when you put them in, it doesn't change the temperature of the butter and make the butter seize up a little bit. So room temperature butter and room temperature eggs. And we're going to mix that just until it is combined. After that, I'm going to add in my clear vanilla. You could use the regular vanilla extract, that's fine too. And I'll add in my salt and my baking soda, my baking powder. And then to that, I like to add in 3 cups of flour. And this is just regular all-purpose flour. You don't need to worry about any self-rising flour or anything like that. Just regular all-purpose flour. And of course, be sure as you go along that you are scraping down the sides of the mixer so that it is all combined. And now we're going to combine the flour until it is all incorporated. And then this is the best part. We're going to add in our Cadbury eggs and our M&Ms. And I did reserve just a little bit of those to the side because I like to put them on top after I bake the cookies. So here's your dough. This is what it should look like. It is fluffy and the same consistency. And look how cute all those little colors are in there. It just looks like little Easter eggs all over these cookies. Okay, and then for the cookies, I'm going to preheat my oven to 325 degrees. And I like to cook my cookies just a little bit slower. And I like to use an ice cream scoop on this, and I like to use about 1.25 inches in size and get it pretty level. And I scoop it, and then I like to roll it into a ball so that I get nice round, like perfect little cookies every time, and then evenly space them on my cookie sheet. And I like to do about 12 cookies on each cookie sheet, and I put them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. And it is crazy, like we've moved a few times in the last several years, and every oven is just a little bit different. So you're gonna have to play with your oven a little bit to make sure it is cooking evenly. And you might need to adjust your racks because you want it to be lightly golden brown on the bottom, and then I like to have just a smidge of color on top. So, but you wanna leave it like pretty soft and chewy on the inside. So this is what makes the perfect cookie in my book. Okay, so when those come out of the oven, I like to just lay them out on a cutting board or on the stove, and then you can take a spoon and just round out the edges of every cookie if you'd like. I like to spend just a couple extra minutes here right when I take them out of the oven because it really does make like really uniform and pretty cookies. And then I'm going to add in a couple of the Cadbury eggs and then a few of the M&M Easter colors too. And I like to make sure there's kind of a little bit evenly spaced, a little green, a little blue, pink, yellow. Anyways, these are just so cute. Okay, now just let those cool on your baking sheet for a couple minutes until you can easily get them off with a spatula. I like to put them on a cooling rack for just a few minutes too. And you are ready to enjoy your cookies. Pour a glass of milk and enjoy your Easter Cadbury Egg Cookies. They're fun to make and fun to eat. Here they are. Here are my Easter Cadbury Egg Cookies. They are warm and ooey and gooey and everything that we love in an Easter cookie. It's a simple chocolate chip cookie recipe, and we've substituted some Cadbury eggs and some M&Ms, and it makes for the perfect springtime treat. Share them with your friends and family and neighbors and everyone you love. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe as much as we do. I mean, look how cute those are. The little M&Ms and the Cadbury eggs and all the spring colors. They are so cute. And now it's time for a taste test. There is nothing better than a warm, chewy cookie. A little bit of buttery flavor, crispy on the outside, and then it's warm and soft and chewy on the inside. I mean, it's so good. Thank you so much for watching this episode at thecarefreekitchen.com. I hope your family loves these cute little Easter cookies as much as we do. We love to make them every spring. They're warm and chewy and have just the perfect amount of chocolate in them, and everyone loves them. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.